FP500 agricultural drone, 40-liter spray tank, 55-liter spread tank, maxi payload of 40 kilograms, high-strength aviation aluminum frame, IP67 level protection, sturdy and durable, modular design for quick maintenance, fast folding, easy transportation, 7-inch HD smart remote controller, clear and visible display even under direct sunlight, built-in 20 Ah battery for extended standby time, new user-friendly UI, integrated RTK point marking, more convenient operation. SP4 air blowing spreader, 6-channel air blowing spreading, no harm to crops and drones, uniform spreading, 100 kilograms per minute, fitting speed, supports powdered materials, suitable for high precision, low dosage scenarios. SP5 centrifugal spreader, dual roller material discharging, efficient and precise, 8-meter spreading widths achievable, 200 kilograms per minute, fitting speed, ideal for large-scale fields and high-efficiency operations. Innovative wind pressure centrifugal nozzles combines advantages of both pressure and centrifugal nozzles. High flow rate, fine atomization, 50 to 500 micrometers adjustable particle size for centrifugal nozzles for continuous operation. No need to turn around when changing lines. Smart breakpoint, power efficient, autonomous planning of water routes, ensures complete coverage. 40-meter outer-range phased array radar, 5-beam ground imitation, accurately follow the terrain. Aerial 3D mapping for complex terrain, one-time mapping for long-term use. Real-time radar modeling for gently sloping terrain, quick operation without need for aerial surveys. Suitable for complex environments like mountains, hills, orchards, etc. FP500, an agricultural drone that combines efficiency and good value.